Here is this free articulated and rigid chassis dump truck CPCS blue card renewal mock test. It contains 15 questions similar to what you'd get on the official NOCN Pearson VUE touchscreen test. I will first read the question and then give you a few seconds before I reveal the correct answer. Ready? Let's go. 1. What should an operator do if they notice defects they believe are insignificant? A. Ignore them and continue working. B. Report them immediately. C. Attempt to fix them on their own. D. Seek permission from a supervisor. Correct answer, B. Report them immediately. 2. What is the recommended first course of action to reduce accidents involving reversing vehicles? A. Increase vehicle speed. B. Prohibit the reversing of vehicles. C. Add more mirrors to vehicles. D. Train pedestrians to be more cautious. Correct answer, B. Prohibit the reversing of vehicles. 3. What is the primary concern when parking a dump truck for load discharge? A. The aesthetic appearance of the site. B. The angle of the sun. C. Ensuring the ground is soft. D. Ensuring it is on firm, flat, and level ground. Correct answer, D. Ensuring it is on firm, flat, and level ground. 4. What type of terrain can present particular hazards for dump truck operators? A. Smooth roads. B. Inclines. C. Paved surfaces. D. Well-maintained roads. Correct answer, B. Inclines. 5. What technology is increasingly common on dump trucks to detect movement around the vehicle? A. Radar systems. B. GPS navigation. C. Sonar systems. D. Infrared cameras. Correct answer, A. Radar systems. 6. What risk is associated with traveling too close to the edge of temporary haul roads? A. Risk of reduced visibility. B. Risk of tire wear. C. Risk of collapsing road edges and overturning. D. Risk of engine overheating. Correct answer, C. Risk of collapsing road edges and overturning. 7. What is the primary concern when an operator needs to climb onto parts of the dump truck during checks? A. Enhancing the truck's appearance. B. Avoiding damage to the truck. C. Preventing falls or slips. D. Reducing maintenance costs. Correct answer, C. Preventing falls or slips. 8. Why is thorough preparation essential before operating dump trucks? A. To save time. B. To reduce fuel consumption. C. To avoid traffic congestion. D. To ensure safe and efficient operation. Correct answer, D, to ensure safe and efficient operation. Nine. What is the recommended direction of travel for a loaded dump truck on a steep slope? A. Reverse up the slope and drive down, keeping the body facing downhill. B. Drive up the slope and reverse down, keeping the body facing uphill. C. Always drive up, regardless of the slope. D. Always reverse down, regardless of the slope. Correct answer, A. Reverse up the slope and drive down, keeping the body facing downhill. 10. What should operators do to ensure no one is in the area of their dump truck before moving? A. Honk the horn. B. Check their mirrors. C. Make proper checks. D. Speed up suddenly. Correct answer, C. Make proper checks. 11. When might a dump truck tip up rearwards when tipping downhill on a slope? A. When the body is empty. B. When the load exceeds the counterbalanced effect. C. When the operator is not wearing a seatbelt. D. When the tires are properly inflated. Correct answer, B. When the load exceeds the counterbalanced effect. 12. What should operators do regarding radar sensitivity adjustment? A. Ignore the manufacturer's recommendations. B. Reduce sensitivity in all working areas. C. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations and use multiple aids. D. Rely solely on radar systems for safety. Correct answer, C. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations and use multiple aids. 13. What precautions should be taken if the dump truck operator chooses not to stay in the cab during loading? A. Avoid parking on level ground. B. Stand close to the loading machine. C. Stay within the cab's vicinity. D. Be well clear of the loading operation and moving vehicles. Correct answer, D. Be well clear of the loading operation and moving vehicles. 14. When is reversing of vehicles not reasonably practicable? A. Only in dump truck operations. B. Always, regardless of the circumstances. C. When the vehicle has reversing aids. D. During nighttime operations. Correct answer, A. Only in dump truck operations. 15. What should operators do before starting work with a dump truck, especially on steep slopes? A. Consult the operator's manual. B. Adjust the load capacity. C. Check the tire pressure. D. Inspect the color of the body. Correct answer, A. Consult the operator's manual. So, this was the last question of this free mock test. If you made it this far, I guess you're about to take the dreaded CPCS renewal test and there are no other study materials except the long and boring fact sheet. Some people have failed this multiple times. Like my brother who is not the brightest tool in the shed. But I still love him. Enough, in fact, to create a whole bunch of multiple-choice questions from his category fact sheet. And guess what? He finally passed. That gave me the idea of creating similar mock test questions and answers for each and every category. Very tedious work, but it's worth it if it helps you study and pass the damn test to extend your blue card for 5 more years. If you wish to be fully prepared, then you have the option of purchasing my ebook, which contains the full bank of questions based on the official NOCN fact sheet. Note that these questions are not exactly the same in the official test, but they will be similar and based on the same information from the fact sheet. So instead of learning the exact questions and answers by heart, apply logic to the answers, and use these multiple-choice questions to learn more efficiently for your CPCS Blue Card Renewal touchscreen test.